everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to visit and rate other players' creations during the Beaver Cup Build Challenge exhibition phase in Heartopia. So the Beaver Cup event has now entered the exhibition stage, where players can explore and appreciate projects built by other participants. And to do that, first just tap on the Beaver Cup icon, and then in here you can just either enter a friend's town project ID or choose random visit to discover builds from other players around the world. And then in here I will show you how to use the random visit. First just tap on the random visit and then just tap on the enter, this one. Just tap on it and then next just tap on confirm. And you will be teleported directly to another player's island and project like this. And then next just take your time to exploring their creations and then just checking out all the details, and if you like what you see you can leave a reactions by using the available emotes like this. And then next, when you're ready to visit another project, just simply tap on the next view and then you will automatically move to a different island and player build like this. And one important thing to remember, visiting projects requires helicopter tokens that you can obtain these tokens from daily quest rewards. So make sure to complete your daily quest. And okay, that's it. That's how you can visit and enjoy other players' creations during the Beaver Cup exhibitions in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!